Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Deva and today we are going to learn how to install Docker Engine and Docker Desktop in our Ubuntu system. So without wasting more time, let's get started.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Now first of all open your favorite web browser and search for install Docker. So go to the official website docs.docker.com where you will see the option install Docker. So here you will see two options, Docker Desktop and Docker Engine. So we will install one by one. First of all, we will install Docker Desktop. So go to the install Docker Desktop, and here you will see the options according to the operating system: install Mac, Windows, and Linux. So we will go to the Linux part. So here are some requirements specified by the Docker. Your system should be 64-bit kernel, and CPU supports virtualization. It also supports KVM virtualization and at least 4 GB of RAM. So come down and go to the Ubuntu platform. And click on the dap package. So download will be started. In the meantime, let's go to the Docker engine part. Go to the install the Docker engine part. As our system is Ubuntu, so click on the Ubuntu. In the Docker engine installation, you will see first of all the requirements. OS requirement: Ubuntu Kinetic, Jamf, Focal, and Bayonet with their particular version. So for removing old version, we have to copy all the commands specified here one by one. Go to your terminal and paste the command. So now you will see the installation methods. So go to the install Docker engine part, update the apt package. So our system is updated. Now copy the second command, which is here. Install Docker Engine, container, and Docker Compose. After installing Docker, restart your PC, and after restart, check the Docker version. So here you will see the version of the Docker. So it is perfectly installed. And for running different commands on Docker, go to the root, and there you can type any command related to Docker. So by doing docker ps, you will see the container id, image, command created, status, ports, name. We will see each one by one in the next video. So now we will see how to install Docker Desktop in our machine. So for installing Docker Desktop, I have already made a file in which I have specified the command so that you can easily work on it. Also, I will upload this file to my GitHub repo for easily accessible. So run this command accordingly present over there, and here we will install the Docker Desktop using install Docker using the apt repository. There are different methods for installing Docker Desktop. First of all, we will see this method. So Docker C is installed. Now we will install Docker C CLI and container.io. So Docker C command line and container.io is installed. Now as we have downloaded the Docker desktop file, so let's go to that and run that file. apt install apt install. Restart your PC, and then when you start again, you will see this description about the terms and condition of the Docker. Just accept it, and you will see here one icon which states the running status of the Docker. So the current status of the Docker is stop, but it will be get started automatically. The end of our installation video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and stay tuned for more updates of Docker and other software related technologies. Thank you.